If you are thinking about changing careers, law is worth serious consideration. At first glance, it might seem that the legal profession only targets candidates fresh out of full-time education, but it doesn't take much searching to find plenty of law firms, barristers' chambers, and other organisations that explicitly welcome applications from people looking to change career as well. Why? Legal recruiters love the wide skill sets and experiences that career changes bring, so it's no surprise that the average age of people admitted onto the Law Society's roll of solicitors in 2017 to 18 was around 30 years of age, which when you factor in the thousands of career starters who join the role in their early 20s, means there is a significant number of people joining the profession at a later stage too. To give yourself the best chance of success on this competitive career path, we at Law Careers Net recommend bearing the following advice in mind. 1. Choose your route. The first step is to narrow down what type of lawyer you want to become. There is career information on solicitors, barristers, legal executives, paralegals, and more on Law Careers Net. Once you've researched the different kinds of lawyer and decided which route to pursue, you then need to check the academic requirements. For example, to become a solicitor or barrister, you will first need a university degree, either a law degree on its own or any non-law degree, plus a postgraduate law conversion. That's the Graduate Diploma in Law, GDL currently, but there are other variants that will soon be coming out as well. If you want to be a solicitor, you will then need to complete the legal practice course, or from 2021, its replacement, the solicitor's qualifying exam. Or you might be looking for a non-graduate route, in which case you could train as a legal executive through Silex, which also has a fast-track program for graduates too. 2. Target firms that already employ career changers. When you're ready to apply for your first role, whether it's a paralegal vacancy, training contract, or pupillage, don't be disheartened by the fact that you will come across organisations that seem to be exclusively focused on hiring graduates in their early 20s. This is their loss, and in a profession that still has a long way to go in its attitudes to diversity, it says a lot more about what it would be like to work at such an organisation than it does about you. Instead, focus your efforts on firms that are welcoming to career changes. They are easy to find. Many firms explicitly invite applications from career changers and mature candidates on their recruitment websites, so even a few minutes on a search engine will identify several employers that you could apply to. Another way to identify if a firm truly welcomes career changers is to read up on its lawyers on the firm's site and places like Law Careers Net and LinkedIn. Do the profiles you find all seem to fit a particular type, or is there a range of backgrounds, career histories, and ages? If there is the latter, then that's a very positive sign for someone in a career-changing or mature candidate position. 3. Focus on selling your skills. As a career changer, you are more likely to have much more professional experience than many other candidates, and this is the advantage you have in the jobs market. The law is an academic profession, and you will probably find yourself digging up old exam results that you had long forgotten about, but don't make these the focus of your applications. Recruiters will be much more interested in your career experience and your transferable skills, so think about how your skills and experience are relevant to legal practice. For example, when have you needed to be organised? When have you worked as part of a team? You might even have led a team, in which case you will also have leadership and management skills. Other examples include communication. What kinds of communication did your previous role involve? Have you ever given presentations or met with clients or customers in any kind of customer-facing or front-of-house role? Almost any role will have involved skills that are relevant to law. 4. Match your experience to the firm's work areas. This isn't essential in every case, but clearly if your previous career experience is relevant to a particular work area that a law firm is strong in, it could stand you in good stead. For example, a medical background such as nursing would be particularly relevant to an area such as clinical negligence, while a background in the sciences would be great for a career as an intellectual property lawyer. Also, previous experience of working in the banking sector would be valuable for all kinds of corporate legal work, and the list goes on. There are so many fields in law that previous career experience will be relevant to. 5. Go to events. Meeting lawyers and recruiters face-to-face is a crucial part of the process. Law Careers Net's diary is good for finding events near you, and you should also check Eventbrite, which a lot of city firms use. Good events to attend include law fairs at your university or law school, and law firm open days and evenings. 6. Get any legal work experience you can. If you have work or caring commitments, it can be difficult to find the time for much legal work experience. But any and all legal experience will be highly beneficial as you start your new career. If you aim to become a solicitor, apply for Vermsfagation schemes if you possibly can. But you can also approach local law firms for work experience, or once you have some legal qualifications, apply for paralegal roles, which are often part of the journey for many lawyers, whether they're mature candidates or people coming straight out of university. Good luck on your career change, and remember to check Law Careers Net for all the information you need.